This is the part 3 of how to write a book with your smartphone, and I found out something and I would like to share with you. When you are dealing with AI, you have to be very smart. So let's go on without wasting much of your time. The chapter 2 is planning your trip to Egypt. So we are going to give it a prompt. Write on the following subtopic based on planning your trip to Egypt. You put it in inverted comma and put semicolon. Then you go back to your work. This is your chapter 2. Under the chapter 2 we have when to go to Egypt, entry requirement, visa information, vaccination and health precaution, booking flight and accommodation. So what you are going to do, you copy this. Don't rush this video. I told you, when you are dealing with Amazon KDP, you have to calm down. Don't rush anything. Calm down and watch this video to the last. So when you have done this, you are going to give the charts, the prompt based on the topic you want it to write on, so that it is not going to put its own. So you paste in your work. So when you have done this, try your possible best to put comma, so that the chart, you know that it is a separate entity. Okay, I changed browser, so what I'm going to be doing here is still the same thing that the other one is doing for us. Key in your prompt, then you are good to go. I will paste in the prompt here and click on send. Okay, this is it. This is the prompt I gave to the AI. Write on the following subtitle based on the planning your trip to Egypt, and I listed the subtopic I want the chart to write on. So let's go on and see what the chart has come up with. As you can see the first subheading, when to go to Egypt. The next one, entry requirements and visa information. The next one, visa and health precautions. The third one, book flights and accommodations. So as you can see, it stopped at such as, and I went back to the chart and just key in continue, and it continued. Blah 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 blah. Accommodation, this, money and budgeting, transportation option in Egypt. Okay, this is it, and copy it out. Okay, you copy it out and go to your chapter 2. This is our chapter 2, and this is all the things that you just write on now. You copy, you highlight and paste in the word that you just got. Remove all these things. Remove all these things in between the continue parts. Remove it and join them together. Okay, so remove your prompts, remove all these things. Okay, are you seeing my chapter 2 now? So this is my chapter 2 now. Okay, this is my chapter 2. So remember, before you can be able to say that you are okay, what you are going to do, you copy all these things out. You copy these things out, all these things. Copy them all, then go to your paraphrasing tool, which I introduced, Keyboard. You go to your plagiarism tool and check for plagiarism. Do not say I did not warn you. So after you have done it, if you notice that the tool change your subtopic and you don't want the subtopic to be changed, you can just key in, copy, cut and paste back. So I believe you understand this. For example, if the keyboard change your when to go to Egypt to Egypt time, you can go back and remove the Egypt time and put back when to go to Egypt. So this is how you can get you generate your content for chapter 3, just key in, go to the chat again, you copy, go to the chat, paste it here. This is our chapter 3. Remember, our write a subtopic based on this. If you have not subscribed to my channel to this level, I don't know what you are waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. So you put your inverted comma, semicolon, then your comma, your comma, your comma, your comma, your comma, your comma, full stop. That's the last point. You click on send. Or if you want your work to be easier, you copy it out, then refresh, so that you are not going to have the previous chapter in this your work. So you paste in your work, you click on send. This is our chapter 3 based on the prompt that we have given the Chatgpt. So as you can see, it has given us all the subtopic, the top attractions in Cairo, be anything, visiting the pyramids of Giza, Egyptian's Museum of Antiquities. So this, the 4th one, the 5th one, and it stopped at port of, and I key in continue, and it continued to the last end. So you do what? You copy it out as usual, copy it out, replace it with this, you paste in your work, you remove all these things. Remember, be watchful, don't be lazy. I have told you, when you are working with AI, you don't have to be lazy. Open your eyes. And moreover, for you to succeed in Amazon KDP, you don't need to be rushing everything. You don't need to be writing a book every day. When you write a meaningful book in 1 week, quality more than what? Quantity. You have a quality book more than you have many books, but it's not selling. So this is our chapter 3. We have gotten our chapter 2. Remember, you paraphrase, you check plagiarism, then you are good to go. So if you want to keep on writing from chapter 4 to chapter 11, so you go ahead. But I am not going to be doing that. I am just going to end this video in here. The next part of this video, we are going to do complete formatting and adding of images. So if you have any question, direct your question in the comment section and watch out more for the next part of this video. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel for you not to miss out, and give me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm to be pushing out my video to many people that want it. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.